Padres looking to beat the Giants for the 5th straight time this season. We pick it up, game tied at 1 in the 5th. Angel Pagan, a solo homer off Clayton Richard, 2-1 San Francisco. Now 4-1 in the 9th. Hunter Strickland on, bases loaded, 1 out. He walks Will Myers. That forces in a run to make it 4-2. Next batter up, Yangervis Solarte, the grounder off the glove of Strickland. They get the out, but a run scores. It's a 4-3 game. That would be it for Strickland. In comes the lefty, Steven Okert, to face Ryan Schimpf with 2 men on. And Schimpf gets a hold of one. Are you kidding me? A 3-run blast. His 19th homer of the season, an improbable comeback for the Padres. They take a 6-4 lead, scoring 5 times in the 9th. Bottom 9, Kevin Quackenbush on. He gets Brandon Crawford to end it. The Padres come from behind to win it 6-4. San Diego lost the first 9 games of the season to the Giants, but have now defeated them in 5 straight. The Pods go for the sweep on Wednesday. Luis Perdomo against Madison Bumgarner.